Moderate mag. 4.9 earthquake, South Pacific Ocean, New Zealand, on Tuesday, April 25, 2023 at 4:26 a.m. GMT plus 12 minutes ago. Primary data source SEISMOGRAMS, NZ, Earthquake Commission and Geological Survey, New Zealand. This quake was likely an aftershock of the 6.8 quake South Pacific Ocean, New Zealand, April 24, 2023 12:41 p.m. GMT plus 12, which had occurred 16 hours earlier. Updated. April 24, 2023 16:36 Greenwich Mean Time 2 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Quake data, interactive map, new. SEISMOGRAMS, user reports, earlier quakes here. Quakes in New Zealand. Moderate magnitude 4.9 earthquake at 33 kilometers depth.